Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collect woods effectively in the 99 Nights in the Forest game on Roblox. Okay, first of all, I'm going to cut the tree here. I'm going to use the old axe. Okay, and then you can tap on the tree like this to cut the tree down. Okay, and after you cut the tree, you can use your sacks to collect them instead of picking them one by one to the campfire. I recommend you to use the sack. And some of you maybe didn't know the sack. Okay, this is for the beginners, guys. And then you just need to click on store to collect the woods like this. Click on the wood and then click on store and also the sapling, and then you can go to your campfire and then you can unstore the wood here. Okay, so after you cut the tree, you can use this sack to collect them effectively. And I'm going to cut the tree one more time like this, and then we can use the alt sack. Click on store, 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 and go back to the campfire and unstore the woods. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.